So tara pa, let's go, panoorin natin ngayon na Blue by Blue. Si Cabrera po ang naglalaban ngayon, par. So ito, par, katatapos lang. Pero bago yan, ipapanood ko muna sa inyo ang kaganapan nila sa kanilang round 6. Last round po na kanilang laban, scheduled round 6. So tara pa, panoorin nyo sino po ang nanalo dito. Ang gandang laban po. Dalawang Pinoy, live na live bakbakan ngayon sa Blue by Blue. Let's go, panoorin nyo.
Ano kaya? Mananalo si Cabrera? Ma-upset siya ni Sumatra? Cabrera, all the way from Tacloban City. At si Sumatra naman po, all the way from St. Rita, Sucat, Parañaque, from the Bebatolorde Boxing Stable. Punch of the round, panurin po natin. Shot to the body there by Cabrera. Another shot to the body. Tapos si Sumatra naman, going all out on his attack. Dito sa ating round number 5. Halos patapos na ang ating round. There is some loose tape on the left glove ni Sumatra. Yun na naman yung atake ni Sumatra. He's got to be able to sustain that. He starts off with the body and goes to the head. A little bit of showboating now galing kay Cabrera. Again, shooting off that left jab. Suki-suki ni Cabrera. Si Sumatra with that left jab. And that's the end of round number 5. One more round coming up in this 6th-rounder. Panulit po natin ang punch of the round. Missing with that right hand is Sumatra. And then the right hand scored there by Cabrera. Sapol na sapol yun. And that left side is wide open for the right hand ni Cabrera. A nice venue sa ating location on Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow. Barangay Namayan, covered court sa Mandaluyong City. And there is Sumatra. I'm sure being reminded by his cornerman, one more round to go. Isa na lang, isa na lang. Sumatra, I see him behind on points. And remember back in round number 3, bumagsak po si Sumatra. And Cabrera scoring the only knockdown in this fight so far. Baka may mangyari dito sa ating round number 6. Panurin po natin, Sumatra kontra Cabrera. Cabrera has been able to dictate with his left jab. Ito naman si Sumatra still looking for the opening, looking to hit that big shot. Missing with the left-right combination is Sumatra. Sumatra now on the attack, throwing shots from all angles. Yan ang dapat niyang ginawa kanina pa, no? Because hindi naman masyadong galawin ito si Cabrera. He's just standing in front of his opponent. Yun nga lang, tapon siya ng tapon ng left jab. Right hand scored by Sumatra. Pag hindi jumajab si Cabrera, naku, tatamaan siya ni Sumatra. Gives Sumatra the opening to come in. Left-right combination coming from Cabrera. Again, he leads off with the left jab. That has been his Sunday punch. Yun, nakatama ng kanan si Cabrera. Sharpshooter ito si Cabrera. But he gives what the defense allows. At pag nakikita niya, open yung left hand, tatama siya ng kanyang kanan. Now Cabrera looking to finish this fight with a flourish. Panurin po natin, everything starts from that left jab. Tapos, picture perfect, right hand. At sabi nga natin, binababa ni Sumatra yung kanyang kaliwa. Ito, hinahanap niya ang opening. Cabrera, binababa niya ang kanyang dalawang kamay. Almost inviting Sumatra to come in. Ayun naman, high guard. Oh, ito. Hindi siya gumagalaw dito. Nagpapasuntok, oh. Oh, binababa na naman niya ang kanyang dalawang kamay. And it looks like Cabrera doing a good job of confusing Sumatra. Kung anong gagawin niya rito. Binababa niya ang kanyang dalawang kamay. Tapos biglang iaakyat niya. Tama siya ng kanyang left jab. Here's Sumatra on the attack. Ito na. Tatapos na ang laban natin. But Sumatra still looking for that home run. At hindi niya talaga matamaan. A good display of craftsmanship by Leonel Cabrera. Ito, hapong-hapo na si Sumatra. As you see him on your screens, I see this as a win by decision for Cabrera. But, you know, we've seen strange things happening in boxing. As in the fight between the People's Champ Manny Pacquiao versus Mario Barrios. Ano kaya? Mananalo si Cabrera? Ma-upset siya ni Sumatra? Cabrera, all the way from Tacloban City. At si Sumatra naman po, all the way from St. Rita, Sucat, Parañaque, from the Bebatolorde Boxing Stable. Punch of the round, panurin po natin. Shot to the body there by Cabrera. Another shot to the body. Tapos si Sumatra naman, going all out on his attack. And that shot, that left hand by Sumatra was absorbed by the arm of Cabrera. Kapong at the punch of the round. Parang namayan. Yan pong ating venue for this episode of Manny Pacquiao Presents Blow by Blow. And everyone in anticipation kung sino pong nanalo sa laban. Ang ating kaibigan si Miguel Orde is in the ring to award medals to the boxers. Si Miguel Orde po is a member of the very prestigious, very influential WBC Ratings Committee. Ayan, si Cabrera. Siya kaya nanalo? O kaya si Sumatra? Okay, mukhang ang ating mga judges are still tallying their scorecards. Ang ating mga judges, Tomeldan, Abainza at Comia. Ito na si ring announcer Bobby Malihar with the official verdict.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 6 rounds of boxing, we have a winner. We go to the scorecard. Judge Comia scored it 57-56. Judge Tomeldan scored it 60-53. Judge Abainza scored it 57-56. All in favor of the winner by unanimous decision, Leonel Cabrera. Cabrera
Cabrera po nanalo, unanimous